Everyone, in this video we'll get to know Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 not working fix in 2025. So first of all, you have to check the batteries if it's plugged correctly, and the Instax Mini 12 uses two AA batteries. If the lens doesn't extend or the indicator light doesn't turn on when you twist the lens, dead or incorrectly inserted batteries are often the cause. Make sure they are fresh and properly aligned with the plus and minus symbols. Next, ensure the lens is fully extended. This model won't take pictures unless the lens is twisted all the way to the on position. Twist until you hear a click and see the selfie mirror pop out. And if your photos are coming out blank, check two things. First, did you accidentally shoot the black film cover that comes first in every new film pack? That's normal, just discard it. Second, make sure the film pack is correctly loaded and not expired. Never open the back while there's a film inside, or you'll expose and ruin the photos. Still not working? Look at the film counter window. If it shows an S, the camera doesn't detect film. Try removing and reloading the film pack carefully. Also clean the battery contacts if they look corroded. Finally, check the flash. It's built in and always fires. If it's not flashing indoors, that's another battery issue. If none of these steps fix it, contact Fujifilm support as soon as possible. But 90% of the time, it's a battery or lens issue. With this quick checks, your Instax Mini 12 should be back in action and ready to capture memories again. So that's it for today. See you on the next one.